Today is a big day for your photography. We are going to leave the auto mode behind. We will step into a world of creative control. This might sound a little scary at first. Many new photographers feel that way. They see all the buttons and dials on their camera and worry they will mess things up. But I promise you, it is much simpler than it looks. Before we dive into settings, let's get comfortable with the tool in your hands. Your camera is your partner in this creative process. Knowing it well is the first step to feeling confident. Pick up your camera now. Feel its weight. Notice how it fits in your hands. A good grip matters. Right hand on the body, index on shutter, left hand supporting the lens. This two-handed grip provides stability. It is the foundation for sharp photos. Find the mode dial, A, S, P, M, and that green auto symbol we will move away from. The LCD is where you view photos and change settings. A viewfinder can help you focus and stabilize the camera. Your lens is the eye. Turn the zoom ring. Watch the scene get closer or wider. This is how you change focal length. Now we get to the core of it all. This is the big secret that changes everything. The exposure triangle. Do not let the name intimidate you. It is just how 3 settings control brightness. Your exposure, aperture, shutter speed, ISO. Think of them as gatekeepers of light. Your sensor needs a certain amount of light. Aperture is the opening size. Shutter speed is how long it stays open. ISO is your sensor's sensitivity. Change one, adjust another. Keep brightness the same. Make the opening smaller, you might need a longer exposure. That relationship is creative control. Auto aims for safe middle. You get to choose. Next, we break down each corner, starting with aperture. Let's talk about aperture. Often the most exciting setting to learn, because its creative effect is immediate and beautiful. Technically, aperture is the opening inside your lens that lets light reach the sensor. You can make this opening bigger or smaller. We measure it in f-stops, f/2.8, 4, 8, 11. Remember, smaller f number means a larger opening. Larger f number means a smaller opening. Artistically, aperture controls depth of field, the slice of the scene that is sharp. Use a large opening like f/2.8 to isolate your subject. Use a small opening like f/16 to keep a vista crisp front to back. Practice. Switch to aperture priority, pick the smallest f number your lens allows, take a close photo, then shoot again at f/11 or 16. Compare the backgrounds. You are now controlling depth of field. Our next stop is shutter speed, the time your sensor sees light. If aperture is window size, shutter speed is how long it stays open. You will see fractions like 1/60th, 1/250th, 1/1000th. 1/1000th is incredibly fast, great for freezing motion. 1 second is long, anything moving becomes a blur or streak. Practice. Shutter priority. Set 1/1000th and shoot a ceiling fan. Blades freeze. Now set 1/10th, stabilize on a surface, shoot again. Blades blur into a circle. Fast shutter for action. Sports, wildlife, splashes. Slow shutter for motion blur. Silky waterfalls, light trails. For slow speeds, keep the camera perfectly still. You are now in control of motion. Choose blur or freeze with intent. ISO measures your sensor's sensitivity to light. In bright sun, you need little sensitivity. In dim rooms, you need more. Low ISO, like 100 or 200, is perfect for bright conditions. Raise ISO in low light to keep shutter fast or aperture small. It is essential for indoor scenes and dusk. But higher ISO adds digital noise, grain that reduces clarity. Modern cameras handle it better, but the trade-off remains. Golden rule. Use the lowest ISO that gets you the shutter and aperture you need. Practice. In aperture. Priority at f/8. Shoot at ISO 100. Note the slow shutter and blur. Raise to ISO 1600. Shoot again. Notice the faster shutter. Go higher. Compare brightness and the grain in darker areas. Now you can balance sensitivity, clarity, and exposure. You now understand exposure. Now the most important ingredient, light. Light quality and direction can transform a scene. Hard light makes sharp, deep shadows. Soft light wraps gently and flatters. Think overcast skies or indirect window light. Hunt for golden hour, for gorgeous warmth and contrast. Front light is even but can look flat. Side light reveals texture and shape. Backlight can be magical with a glowing rim. White balance controls color. AWB is good, but presets let you choose a mood. For instance, cloudy on a sunny day adds warmth. Practice. Photograph white paper under a lamp with different WB presets and compare. Light quality, direction, and color are your palette. Composition is arranging elements to guide the viewer's eye. Imagine a 3x3 grid. Place key subjects on lines or intersections. Use leading lines, roads, fences, rivers, shadows, architecture to point to your subject. Layers add depth and a path for the eye. Do not be afraid to get close and simplify the background. Practice. Take 3 photos with intent. First, place a subject on a third's intersection. Second, use a leading line to guide attention. Third, fill the frame with a small, interesting object. Compare your results to a simple centered snapshot. Intentional composition changes everything. One big difference between snapshots and photographs is the background. Scan for distractions, bright signs, bins, branches. One step or a lower angle can clean the frame. Simple changes make the subject pop. Use framing. Shoot through doorways, windows, archways, or between trees to add depth and direct attention. Only a stable camera prevents your own motion blur. A tripod is essential for landscapes, long exposures, and night shots. No tripod? Lean on a wall or tree. Rest the camera on a post, bench, backpack, or books. Use a 2-second timer to avoid the shake from pressing the button. This simple habit pays huge dividends in sharpness. We covered a lot, moving from auto to creative control. Know your grip. Master aperture, shutter, ISO, C-light. Compose with intent. Practice little and often. Carry your camera. Give yourself simple assignments. Try a week of aperture priority, then shutter priority. Hunt for 5 leading lines. Review your photos. Ask why they work. Check sharpness and settings. Shoot what you love. Pets, family, vast vistas, tiny details, candid streets. Use techniques as tools, not rules, to tell your story. The best camera is the one with you, and the best photo brings you joy. Now go out there and start shooting.